Alright. Hello and welcome to the Seafoam Isles Draft League season what? Season 2, week 7. It's like game 7 or something like that. It's crazy. But this match is between Sir Roland, coach of the Mid-Coast Brave Birds, and Z Quigs, coach of the I Like Corsola. I have no clue what their records are. And to be honest, they're both 1-5. All right, so they're looking. I think whoever loses this game has a chance of being eliminated from playoffs now. So they're kind of fighting for playoff survival at this point. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Mega Pokemon in this matchup are Mega Heracross for Roll-In, Mega Slowbro for Z-Quigs. Heracross is coming, other guys not coming. And then Z Pokemon, Z Quigs has Z Attacked Rudagamer and Z any Mimikyu. Mimikyu is coming. And then for Roll-In, Z Pokemon are Z Attack Gardevoir and Z any Zoroark. And that's all the background information there is for this battle. So, is there a dark resist? Z-Clix doesn't have a dark resist, so, Zoroark's kind of free to do Zoroark-y things, just spam Night Days after a nasty plot or Dark Pulse so he can't miss and just kill everyone. So for Mimikyu, because of your guy has disguised the most busted ability. Just kidding. And it's just really good. So, I think Mimikyu is kind of the limiting factor for Roland. It's just sweeping with Nasty Plot, Dark Pulse, Zoroark. But other than that, it's kind of just free to go crazy. And once Disguise is broken, I think it just is click Dark Pulse on everything, and then if Glastrier comes in, pray that you hit the Focus Blast and kill. So, Zoroark's really scary, but on the other hand, Mimikyu's really scary. We saw the Z Snatch Mimikyu, which was actually really funny. So, I mean, like, I never thought I'd be saying Z Snatch is a threat, but Z Snatch is a threat. Because +2 speed is no joke. Basculin is Basculin. There's no water resist on Z-Quig's team either, so just spamming Flip Turn and Liquidation would be rather potent. So, yeah, that's just scary. I think Glacier, especially if Trick Room is able to go up, is going to really destroy. Oh, shit, I just almost fell on my game chair. At my... No, it's just a chair. But yeah, it's just these guys are hitting hard, kind of just trading blows. I will say though that Zoroark and Basculin are the big threats, but if Dusclops is able to set Trick Room and get Glastrier is able to hit the field with Trick Room up, that's gonna be a bit of a problem for Roland. Actually scratch a little bit. It's going to be a major issue. So, Mesprit lead versus Dusclops. So, Mesprit's probably just going to go for the Stealth Rocks like it does literally every week. I don't know what else I'm expecting. Oh, yes, Mesprit is definitely going to do some really crazy Calm Mind Stored Power stuff. Has Swoobat even come to a game for Roland? I don't know. Roland traded Swoobat away, didn't use it even once, I don't think. That's kind of funny. So, I think rocks are pretty much, going up. Dusclops might opt to go for Trick Room, and that's basically my assessment. I suppose Dusclops could do the thing it did last week, or like last season with Butters, where it just Calm Minds and then Willow hexes the crap out of everyone. The Zoroark is kind of impeding that, which is kind of sad for it. I gotta say. So, I gotta say, it is going to be a little bit interesting going in. Because the instant Trick Room goes up is the moment that Rolling gets on the back foot. So, Bind, okay. You're not leaving anymore. Oh, what if this has a U-turn? That would be like the most depressing thing ever. It procced Rocky Helmet, though. Bind. Curse. Oh no! Well, that is interesting for certain. Oh, this is so funny. The bind curse Dusclaps. Never stood a chance. Jesus. Down goes Mesprit. Oh my god. Well. Bind curse Dusclops, new meta. No. I would not be opposed to that. In comes Whimsicott. Is Whimsicott about to get hit by that bind schmarbage? Oh. Go for bind. Go for bind. Yes, sir. Yes, today I am going to bind. This is doing so much. Yikes, dude. Bind Dusclaw. That's terrifying. It's just like slowly killing Whimsicott. He can't leave. He was powerless. Dusclops is going for the kill. You know, Tailwind won't save you. I think Dusclops wants to lock into Curse now. Like, just Taunted Curse, I guess. So, maybe that would make it struggle, but I don't know. Light screen goes up. I doubt it matters, honestly. I think Whimsicott's gonna taunt now. Because it doesn't want Dusclops. You cursing it? Oh no, he's here. Zork is here. He's been trapped. We're gonna see a Dark Pulse, and it's gonna kill, and that's gonna be really sad. Leave while you still can, Dusclops. You got this. Come on, Dusclops. Watch this get off the curse. If Dusclops lives and gets off the curse here, I'm resigning. Let's see. Oh shoot. I don't know. Why Dusclops has a charm to it. Everything's getting binded, dude. Yes, today I will bind. Sheesh. Well, if this curses, this goes down to like 50% from the bind, or from the curse damage. And then, you know, Mimikyu comes in. Z snatches, Swords dances, goes for the hidden power ground. Or goes for the Shadow Claw, kills Heatran in 2 hits. Good games. And Tailwind's almost over as well, which is funny. Dusclops is stalling out the offense. Yo, this is not demonic. This is perfect. What's up? It's your boy Yee. It's kind of funny, honestly. So, what happens here? I don't know. Maybe Glastrier comes in, eats the rock's damage, takes the night days, gets accuracy dropped. Tailwind peters out, peters out. And that's cool. That's cool. Just kidding. So, let's see. I think I'm just gonna stop talking until something happens. Alright. Talk to you guys in a sec. I'm back. Zoroark is dead. So, dab killing. Oh, shoot. Come on, Glastrier. Hit him with the CC. The 1-2. It's gonna miss close combat. That's gonna be hilarious. This is gonna go for flip turn, probably. I don't know. Is this the first time Glastier's gotten a kill? I'm not sure, actually. It's interesting. What's happening now? What does Z-Quigs do? There's no safe switch, and I'm just gonna get Z-Quig Sax Corsola 2. And then, yep. That's banded as well, I think. It is also just adaptability. Strong boy Yi. So in comes Yitran. He is here. Big man Heatran. Say hello to Corsola. Meet your maker. It is time for Corsola to shine. Come on, Corsola, you got this. Come in and destroy Heatran. Or Heatstan. Yes. We stand Heatran. So, Whimsicringe is almost dead. Corsola's probably just gonna beep truck and then just destroy someone with a water move. I guess Heracross could survive and then Bullet Seed it, but Corviknight's literally right there. This is intense. I'm on the edge of my seat right now because bind collapse. In comes Corsola. I'm panicking. Oh shoot. Come on, Corsola. You got this. Hit him with the Z waterfall. I don't think it has a Z move. Come on, tell me it has a Z move. I already forgot. No. Water gem, waterfall. Right now. Kill this thing. Water gem, waterfall. Water gem, waterfall. Right now. Come on, come on. Come on. Let's see it. Does he go for the water gem waterfall? That is the question of the century. Come on. Come on. See it. Yeah, this could also be rock gem head smash, which would also be hilarious. Oh. Heatran. You. Kidding. But that's sad. It was just ended. Its life just ended by hidden power grass. Heat Wave did a billion. Bind does 15 actually. Can anything kill this Heatran? The real questions. Miss Heat Wave right now, Heatran. That would be actually that would be so funny. Come on, you can miss. You can afford to miss, T-Tran. You can afford to miss, T-Tran. That would be good. That would be good, I think. Nope. No miss. The Heatran is doing. He has good health right now. He's not unhealthy. He's the opposite of unhealthy right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What does Roland or no? What does Equags even do? You can't damage Heatran with the last four mons. I guess Hidden Power Ground Rotom can do a thing. Sheesh. Hmm. 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 uh, Mimikyu comes in. Shadow Claw does 40%, not quite enough to pick up the KO. Disguise. Oh, wait. Actually, Mimikyu can kill this, which is nice. Okay. Rolling. Alright, Guy is in the game. So. Corva Guy comes in. Come on, Corva Guy. Take on Dab Killin. Takes 80. Or, no, I almost said takes 82%. It took 28. I'm stupid. So, does Corviknight just like U-turn? Or does it go for the Brave Bird? The real questions we should all be asking. Hmm. I'm at a loss for words now. Oh no! Here comes Whimsicott. I have a whole new set of commentary now. Corviknight can just go for the Brave Bird now. Wait, yeah, Corviknight can just go for the Brave Bird, get this kill real quick. I think Corviknight can just kind of win now. I'm not sure, but if this has a flying move, I think it just wins. Basculin's the only thing that can kill this, and with pressure, it can just roost all the guy's whole moveset. Hmm. Hmm. Rotom Heat comes in on the encore. That was a good play by Grizzly Quicks. I don't speak English. What are you talking about? Kidding. So I think, yeah, you just go for a overheat, I suppose. Rotom Heat, go for that overheat. So there was a new play there. And it was Carbonite coming back out. And Brave Bird is... Carbonite is standing imposingly here. I don't think Carbonite is killable. If it just switches into Rotom Heat, it's pretty chill, probably. Wait. Sheesh. Okay, in comes Heracross. I think we're gonna see a Brave Bird, probably. I don't think Heracross has a chance of living that either. Unfortunately, it's looking kinda dire for Roland right now because Brave Bird just goes like, and he just explodes like a bomb. I won't specify what kind of bomb, because I don't know any kinds of bombs. Wow. Every time I turn off my mic, it seems like they make a move. So I think my plan is to just turn off the mic instantly. Oh wait. Basculin could win with Aqua Jet. Come on, Basculin. You got this. If it goes for Flip Turn, it's a loss. It's an L. So, we'll see. Does it go for a Flip Turn, or does it go for Aqua Jet? It goes for Aqua Jet. Aqua Jet kills. Does Aqua Jet kill Mimikyu from half? I'm going to guess it does, because Basculin moment. Go Basculin, come on. Woo, woo. Turning off my mic right now. Down goes Mimikyu. Rotom Heat definitely dies to Aqua Jet. There's no way. There's no way. I'm oh, 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 oh. Basculin is insane, dude. Okay, I'm tired and I have a tournament to play, but that was really... Basculin endgame was crazy, dude. And the bind dust comes. Yes, today I will bind curse. That was fun. But anyways, I'll see you in the next one. I think the last few games are tomorrow. I think actually there's only one game tomorrow, which is really cool.